What's up, everybody? Today, I'll tell you how to reset the oil maintenance required light on a Toyota 4Runner. The maintenance light acts as a reminder to change the engine oil. It needs to be reset manually after each oil replacement. So join me today and let's reset it. In this first section, I will show you how to clear the maintenance light on the old Toyota 4Runner. This operation will be the same from the 2006 through 2009 models. So let's do it. Step 1. Turn the key to the on position, but don't start the car. Step 2. Then you'll need to set your odometer to the odo using the trip button on the cluster. Step 3. Next, turn the key off. Step 4. Hit the trip button and hold it while we cycle the key to the on position again without starting the car. Step 5. Keep pressing the trip button until the maintenance light disappears and you're done. Like the previous generation, in the 2010 to 2013 4Runner, you can reset the maintenance light with the trip button on the cluster. This year's model has two cluster types, but the reset method is the same. So let's do it. Step 1. Insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Step 2. Press the trip button until you see the odometer display cycle to trip A. Step 3. Now, turn off your car. Step 4. Press and hold the trip button while turning the ignition key back to the on position again. Step 5. Continue holding the button until you see the odometer display reset to 0 or show dashes. Now, we will reset the annoying maintenance required light on the newer 4Runner. It's straightforward because it's basically the same as most Toyota models. So let's do it. Step 1. Get in the car and turn the ignition key to the on position or press the start button 2 times without stepping on the brake pedal. Step 2. Press the trip button on the instrument cluster to cycle to trip A. Step 3. Now, you're going to turn the vehicle back off. Step 4. Hold down the trip button while turning on the car again without starting it up. Step 5. Continue to hold down the trip button until you see resetting the oil maintenance data is complete. So that's it. Just a few quick steps to do that. If you have any questions, post them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful automotive tips. See you next time, and happy driving!